Good day everyone. We are the group 2 and we will discuss the alteration, the types of alteration, the relation of alteration with forgery, examination of alteration. How do we examine the different types of alteration, and lastly, the equipment used in the examination of alteration. So first, what is alteration? Alteration is a change, usually a slight change in the appearance, character, or structure of something or in the document. It can also take the form of erasures and replacement and or insertion of materials into a document, or in short, any changes in the document. So let's go to the types of alteration. First, abrasion. Any forms of erasure using a rubber eraser, or scrap with a sharp object such as knife or razor. Example, yung paggamit ng rubber eraser, yung pag-erase sa sinulat natin, yun yung tapos pinalitan mo yung sinulat mo, ganun. Tapos yung paggamit din ng knife sa paper, iba kapag wrong yung sagot natin sa quiz natin, pwede natin gamitan ng knife para mapalitan yun ng tama. Tapos pwede din yung blade, yung ikat mo yung wrong na answer, tapos sa side niya ilalagay mo yung tamang sagot. Tapos next, chemical eradication. Chemical bleach the color from the ink and in some cases remove the ink from the paper. So yung example doon is yung paggamit ng Xerox, acetone, paggamit, di ba, kapag sa cheque, di ba kapag gusto mong palitan yung date, pwede mong gamitan ito ng bleach or mga acetone para hindi masyadong makita yung dating letter or number dun sa may cheque, kung ano man yung gusto mong palitan dun, kung yung date or yung mga ibang letters. Pero kapag ilinagay mo naman sa infrared light, nakikita mo pa rin yung dating numbers or letters na binura mo, kahit na gumamit ka pa ng chemical. So next is yung obliterations. Obliteration is the act of covering the materials in question with opaque substance. Ito naman yung, di ba, mahilig naman tayo kapag sa quiz natin, ganun. Di ba, sa small letter C, ginagawa nating small letter D kapag yung letter C yung sagot natin pero wrong, tapos letter D yung tamang sagot, ginanagyan natin ng ginagawa natin letter D para maging tama yung sagot natin. So pwede ring gamitin ng shading yung mga sentence na ginawa mo, sinulat mo, tapos sa tingin mo mali, sinishade natin tas sinishade tapos pinapalitan natin ng iba. Pero kapag linagay mo sa infrared light, ultraviolet light, nakikita mo pa din yung naisulat mong dating naisulat. Kahit na sinade mo or kinoveran mo ng husto, pero hindi ba rin sapat yun para hindi makita if linagay natin sa lights, ganun. Tapos yung insertion or substitution. Insertion, one page or more pages is added or removed from the document. Ito naman yung yung dun sa, diba, dun sa Last Will and Testament, ang nakalagay dun yung mga pangalan lang ng ng mga kapatid mo. Sila lang yung may mana. Tapos ikaw naman, wala. Tapos gusto mong ilagay yung pangalan mo. Kinuha mo yung, example lang to, kinuha mo yung page 2. Tapos, nag-insert ka yung pangalan mo. Insert mo yung pangalan mo. Tapos, kung ano yung gusto mong makuha din. Yung gusto mong pamana, linagay mo. Tapos, binalik mo ulit yung page 2. Binalik mo ulit yung page 2 para magkaroon ka din ng mana.
So let us now proceed with another types of alterations. Addition. Addition, this has something to do with the adding of figures or words originally not part of the document. For example, in the banknotes, written there in amount is 8. Instead of 8, you added the letter Y on sa dulo ng 8, and now it becomes 80, and that made us not original part of the document. Next one is interlineation, the writing between the lines of instrument for the purpose of adding a part or correcting what has been written. Madalas ginagawa natin yan sa notes natin, and this is the example of interlineation. Today is May 2, 2023, and I will be performing the Armadazen. The interlineation here is this one. This is something that you want to correct in your sentence. Next one is folds. It may indicate a substitution, particularly if the folds in substituted pages does not match. It means that the original document was A4 and the brand is 1+, and then you remove the page number 2 and substitute another brand of A4 paper. Next is cut and paste. Cut removes the item from its current location and places into another clipboard. Paste inserts the current clipboard contents into a new location. For example, a process where genuine signature is lifted from one document and dropped onto a second document. If it is done without the consent of individual concerned, it is essentially an act of forgery. Next one is electronic alterations. It is done by editing software, like for example Photoshop. Now we can Photoshop our faces, and also we can now change the voice. Last one is erasure. This is now the most common way to alter a document. And now we have two types of erasure, which are mechanical and chemical. Mechanical is the removal of writing impressions that accomplish the abrasion of the surface of paper with the help of rubber erasure, or such as sharp items like scissors, knife, and blade. In a rubber erasure, that usually we do that when we write something. The second one is chemical. Chemical, those which some chemicals are used to erase a part of the document. Chemical application usually strong oxidizing agents that conceal the ink. For example, thinner or acetone, Zonrox, and alcohol. That's all.